Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Ferrari 812 Superfast. First, always perform essential pre-drive checks. Confirm your tire pressure is correct, typically around 32 psi. Adjust your seat and mirrors for perfect visibility and comfort. Take a moment to understand the steering wheel buttons and the digital dashboard. This preparation ensures you're ready to handle this powerful machine safely and effectively. To start the 812 Superfast, press the brake pedal firmly and then push the red engine start button on the steering wheel. You can choose between automatic mode or engage the paddle shifters for a more engaging manual experience. When driving, apply gentle and progressive throttle. The car has over 789 horsepower, so smooth inputs are key to managing its immense power and ensuring a controlled, exhilarating drive. The Manettino dial on the steering wheel allows you to select various driving modes, from wet to race, each adjusting the car's dynamics. For advanced handling, focus on smooth, precise steering and progressive braking. Learn to feel the car's weight transfer during cornering. This is crucial for maintaining balance and control. Mastering these techniques will unlock the full potential of the 812 Superfast on the road or track. Proper maintenance is vital for your Ferrari 812 Superfast. Adhere strictly to the factory service schedule to keep it in pristine condition and ensure longevity. Always use premium fuel with the specified octane rating, usually 93 or higher, to protect the engine. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy every moment behind the wheel of this incredible vehicle responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.